This tutorial is for self-registration to the Defense Travel System for Reserve Marines. Navigate to the DTS homepage and select Login. If using a personal computer, connect the Common Access Card Reader and insert your card. After reading the Privacy and Ethics policy, click Accept. The site will load the certificates from your card and request your PIN. On the user activation screen, enter your Social Security number, select the checkbox for Reserve National Guard, and click Submit. If your unit already created your account, then you will automatically proceed to the DTS main page. If not, then the system will state that your SSN does not match any records in the system and give the option to self-register. Select Self-Register. The DTS main page will load. Click the Administrative tab, then Self-Registration. The Self-Registration tool will load. Complete the required fields in the Basic Information and Additional Information tabs. Some of these options may be filled out later. However, your unit may require you to include certain details such as direct deposit and government travel card before the registration is approved. The most common reason for rejection is entering the wrong organization. If you enter the wrong organization, your self-registration request gets routed to the wrong travel administrator who doesn't know you. After clicking Submit, DTS emails the local defense travel administrator who reviews and either accepts or rejects your self-registration request. If you experience any errors such as expired certificates or a name mismatch due to a hyphenated name, please contact your travel administrator for assistance. While awaiting a response from the travel administrator, now is a good time to complete the required training on Travel Explorer, also known as TRAX. To do this, navigate to the Defense Travel Management Office Passport login page. If you don't already have a DTMO Passport account, click Register and create an account. Once logged in, select the TRAX option. Go to Training at the top of the page, then My Roles tab. Select I am a DoD traveler and/or I use DTS. Then go back to Available Recommended tab. You will see the DTS Basic About DTS option. Select Launch to complete the training. You are now ready to begin using DTS. For detailed videos on booking airfare and reservations, please visit the DTMO YouTube channel, linked below in the video description. Semper Fidelis.